So this is from the God of Thunder version. So I think this is the best card among all these. So lightning and thunder is already happening. Hello Poke fans! Today I am going to introduce you a wide variety of Pokemon cards. So these are all metallic Pokemon cards of a different deck. So first we have Pikachu. So you can see all the strengths etc. on this. So we have Pikachu GX on the first. Then we have an imposter, that is Pikachu of Ditto. This is an imposter. Second one. Next we have again another Pikachu GX. That will be our second Pikachu card. Then we have Charizard and Pikachu, a team card. Okay, you can see. So these are very good quality Pokemon cards. You can tag team and play with them. Then we have another Pikachu GX with a HP of 165. So that is our third GX card. Then we have Pikachu VMAX. So we have a bubbly Pikachu here. Next we have iHorchu GX Pikachu. So this is from the God of Thunder version. So I think this is the best card among all these. So lightning and thunder is already happening in the screen. Next we have 3 Mewtwo and Mew cards. This is the extra cards. Okay, we have Thanos and Mewtwo special edition card. Then we have Mewtwo GX, Nova Eclipse GX card. And finally we have the Mew GX, that is Star Shield GX with a HP of 237. And the highest is for Mewtwo and Thanos with 374 and 376 HP. So that's all for today's card introduction. In the next episode we'll come with more interesting cards.